And it just keeps spinning around. And you just get that creative. You change what's done. Or you don't go your way, but you can always find. So let's rebuild the world today.
I have literally the first part of the song.
Hey everybody, you're probably wondering why I'm releasing a video that I shot in June of 2020 in January of 2021. And that's because I shot this with the same microphone I'm recording this voiceover on camera, but, well, here's what it sounded like on that day. Alright, let's walk into the big shop. So yes, I set the levels on the camera way wrong because I'd never used this microphone with the camera, and it was set to the wrong level. And most of the video, except for 3 clips, came out just unusable, and I just haven't wanted to post it. But I went there, I shot all the stuff, I edited the video, and it was pretty much all ready to go, but I was like, I don't want to post it, it sounds terrible. So I decided to record a voiceover, and I've just been putting it off for a while. But now that my channel is once again losing subscribers every single day, well, what do I have to lose? More subscribers are probably going to leave anyway. So here is the video that I recorded last year. Now, what I noticed about this is that the register has moved. A lot of things seem to have moved around a little bit right before that visit. Here is, on that wall, the back wall, that's where the registers used to be. So for whatever reason, they reconfigured the whole setup. I'm sure it's more efficient, but it seemed fine the way it was. One of the things that's interesting about LegoLand is all the other IP they have there. Here's Friends, which of course was an NBC show, but even more interestingly, they have Lego sets of other theme parks that they sell at LegoLand. I don't know, for some reason I just find that interesting. They do of course have LegoLand sets there. These are the stickers that are now standard in all theme parks. And that is, well, you just saw another register at the entrance. And of course that was the Flintstones. There's now a monitor for wait time that was pretty much new. More Star Wars stuff. R2-D2. And Darth Vader, even though he's part of the dark side, he is still wearing his face mask, so, you know, you should too, if Darth Vader can wear his. I was a little bit surprised on that day that they had the water effects running. I know at Universal, not all of them were running at the time. The splash pads in a lot of places were shut off. Here's Lego Movie World, which is still a great addition to LegoLand. There's the Disco Kitty drop, or Unikitty Disco drop. The Awesome Shop was not open, which wasn't so awesome. And I believe that Tacos Every Day was Tacos Not Today. Unfortunately, it's still the case. A lot of things are still closed at LegoLand. Here's the Dragon, one of the only coasters I enjoy going on because it's not ridiculous intense. Unfortunately, Ring Toss closed today. So the movie theaters weren't quite open yet, but the Funtown Theater was open. Here's my favorite ride, Lost Kingdom Adventure. Went on that a whole bunch of times, as I always do, because I enjoy it and there's usually not much of a wait. There goes Coastosaurus, a few people riding that. This is one of the new food trucks. I was kind of wondering if maybe they rebuilt this area because it seems too well fit for that truck to just be random. There's Flight School. It's a good ride to go on if your sole intention is learning to fly. The Tot Spot today, not open. Again, it's a whole contact thing with COVID. Boating School had pretty much no wait time. This is one of the highest wait times in the park in general just because of how long it takes to load and unload. It's pretty cool. You can go on it at any age. I've done it before. Only adults on this one. sure why that one recorded fine. But the Funnel Cake Factory was closed. I believe it's still closed. Now, what I was saying here was the LegoLand Brick or Treat Tree Trail will be there, but it wasn't. As you'll see in a different video, I'll link it with the info card. And this is me just going over the mask policy again. It's not mandatory in the park, but in certain areas, such as indoors and the rides. And this is really awesome theming about social distancing. I liked how it said hand sanitizing stuff. I don't know. I thought that was funny. And I was commenting on how Lego Las Vegas, it was open, but real Las Vegas was not. I am celebrating. I meant to come back and write something on this, and I just forgot. It was removed before the park closed for some reason. What did I miss most about Legoland? I missed how it was open. I missed going. Nice to go back and visit the park again. Unfortunately, several things have closed temporarily since this video, but thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. If you are subscribed, please consider not unsubscribing.